Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. GCash has become a household name in the Philippines for quick and secure money transfers. But have you ever wondered why you can no longer see the full name of your recipient? Well, here's the answer. Recently, GCash made significant changes to protect user privacy and strengthen security. One of these measures is hiding the full names of recipients during transactions. This change aims to reduce the risk of scams and unauthorized use of personal information, ensuring that users feel safer when using the platform. Now, to make sure your funds reach the right person, it's crucial to double-check the GCash account number you're sending to. Cross-verify this number directly with the recipients before completing your transactions. While this added layer of privacy may feel inconvenient at times, it's a step forward in making GCash a safer platform for everyone. So remember, your security is a priority. Verify details, stay alert, and enjoy the convenience of GCash worry-free. That is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.